Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can change the lot size on MT4 and desktop. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader for software and choose your currency pair. So let's say for this example, I choose the Euro USD and I want to buy, let's say, one lot. So to buy one lot, just go to this one, this here, and type 1.00. This is one lot. If you want to buy, for example, two lot or three lot, just type it here. So for example, five lots, two lots, anything you want. And you can also use these ones, for example, 0.02, 0.03. I think that you get the idea. And you can also move down. That's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.